They're different, they all understand that it's for disadvantaged children and everyone wants to be involved in it. What we've built is a train. We all agreed at the first team meeting that a train was perhaps the best instantly recognisable toy that we could produce. Everyone knows Thomas the Tank Engine, so we thought, well, we could do something similar, but we could build the therapy into the train. And that's exactly what we've done. We've built a train that a young child between the age of 5 and 9 can actually sit in, and he will actually receive therapy without realising that he's receiving therapy, because there's so many wonderful things to do within the train.
So far, a train and bulldozer have been created by the Niagara team, with the help of electronic experts, Masters and Young.
Our company has had a long involvement with Niagara Therapy, designing and building electronic equipment for them. And Kevin Richardson, their production manager, approached us to become involved with this project to build some electronic equipment for their train for the kids. This project needed just a few little bells and whistles, literally. So what we've got is some flashing lamps on top of the little loco. We made a little steam generator, so it actually makes a sound just like a whistle on a train. Just those sorts of things, as well as Niagara needed a bit of involvement for the electronics for the control of the gear. It's always good to be able to help people who are sort of less fortunate than ourselves, and especially children.
And the end result of all this hard work is happier and healthier kids. One special kid at Traralgon that's really benefited from the Niagara treatment is Jack.
Jack had 2 broken legs 2 years ago, so after the first broken leg he didn't get back to walking again. So yeah, he's been wheelchair bound since then, and then he had another fall 6 months later getting in and out of the wheelchair and broke his leg again. So yeah, since then definitely no walking and yeah, no standing. So yeah, he's been wheelchair bound for 2 years now.
Being in a wheelchair has added a whole new dimension to Jack's treatment and daily needs.
He gets a lot of sore lower back, yeah, a lot of pain just from constantly sitting down all the time, as anyone would, and having not been able to straighten his legs. And it's really great because he can have it himself and make sure that he's getting it where he needs it, and he can control how deep the pressure is or how often he needs it. So yeah, he just uses it all the time.
The results of using Niagara Therapy on Jack really has been quite amazing.
Yeah, well, a couple of weeks ago when I asked Megan if we could use it, I was giving him Nurofen 2 or 3 times a day, and that was on the Friday, and by the Monday I wasn't giving him anything. So he got a lot of pain relief, and he was constantly asking